Of course, here we go again.
Sir, you're going 50 over the speed limit. Do you have any weapons that'll hurt me?
No, but I think I have something that you might want. I got one right here. All right. I also have one in my other pocket. Oh, this one's my favorite. Check this one out. I'll have one in this zipper. His name's Jaquan. His brother George. I have two in my back pocket right here, Mustang and Sally. And I also have this last one. I promise you, it's the last one. Check it out. Check it out. It's rainbow. Yes, I know. I'm under arrest.